Assalamu alaikum. Hope everybody is very well. Happy Ramadan. And in this video, disassemble this machine. This is full automatic earlobe sealing machine used for surgical mask making process. Okay, so in our last video I have explained about the working process of this machine, the first part. Okay, this is second generation model and we will discuss about this part today. Okay, so the design combined this part and cutting unit. So you need this kind of full automatic earlobe sealing machine in two line. Okay, and when you connect these two line with the main cutting unit, then your machine can produce over 140 masks per minute. So let's disassemble this and see how this mask making machine earlobe sealing system works. So first of all, let's see the 3D view from different angle, and you will just stay with me. I will disassemble every part and I will show you, I will tell you how this machine works. So this machine, this part is like less complicated than the previous model we have explained. You have seen and experienced there are too many pneumatics and parts, small parts used in that machine for earlobe sealing system. So in this is actually second generation. You know, one generation is modern than another generation, and definitely this one is little bit easier. And let me check all small part of the machine. Is there anything missing? So it looks like very good, no missing file in my software, and you can see I am using a free e-drawing software which can view all kind of 3D and 2D designs including AutoCAD. So if you have Solidwork, then you can use a Solidwork software to view this, because this is Solidwork I think 2018 version. Yes, 2018 version of Solidwork design. Okay, so let's start from the box. The box is normally empty. When you make the machine, all pneumatic and everything connection will come into this box. Okay, before explaining these things, let me show you. Here is the file, and you will find the first part and full automatic earlobe sealing machine inside this folder, and CREO 5 folder is also available. You will find CREO 5 all design, and here you can see all electric diagram. So this is the mainly the electric diagram of the earlobe sealing machine. So here you can see electric diagram. Let me open the PDF. You will see these things. Here is the electric diagram. You will get everything when you get the file from me. So let's go back and unbox it, disassemble it, and see what is inside the machine and why this machine is so simple compared than the previous two generation. We have explained and disassembled before another two full automatic earlobe sealing system. Actually this is the third one. Okay, but first one in second generation model. Okay, so let's see, and this is the actually the box, frame and box. Okay, so everything is hidden by a door, a small little door, and let's hide this thing, and you can see inside there are two ultrasonic machine. You can see, and here you can see one big box. Actually there is a small motor, connecting motor, which is running this. Let me show you. This is running. Here is a belt. You know, this is full automatic line, so mask come through like this way, and it goes through in this sealing process and output by this way. Okay, so here is the motor, and this motor is moving all the mask tray. Okay, and that tray just bring every mask from the main cutting unit and give the delivery to the sealing unit, and sealing machine automatically seal it. Okay, so even if you want to make this part as a semi-automatic, then you no need to connect this part with the main cutting unit by conveyor belt. You can manually load all mask here one by one, or you can make a tray here. Okay, by adding extra tray, and you put all the mask in that tray and it will take one by one like this. Okay, so that is little bit customization work. I hope any engineer can make it. So here is the belt, and after a certain period of time, this belt is just move a bit and give the place for new mask coming out from this sealing machine. So hide those things one by one and see how actually this machine works. Actually, this is like conveyor belt. Everybody understand there is a small motor and conveyor belt connected by some small belt, and that's it. Okay, nothing very interesting over there. But here you can see why this machine is expensive. When you want to buy this part only, current price is around 25,000 US dollar. Okay, yeah, you heard me right, 25,000 US dollar. This is the current price. Price is every day changing, so maybe when you are watching my video after 1 month or 2 months later, maybe this price already changed, but this is the price right now in China. So here you can see two partition they used in two sides, and just added one motor and belt, and when the mask come here, it automatically take out from the main unit. Okay, so let's hide it and let me zoom in, because many people they want to see it very clearly and in a big view. Okay, so here you can see this is the belt. Okay, so let me hide this part first, then I will go to the main part. Okay, actually here is nothing. When it comes here, just take out from the main machine. That's it. And here is, you can see a pneumatic system, and when it comes here, here is a press, and it just push through the table. Okay, and it just got output from here by the help of this pneumatic. Okay, so let's hide those things and you can see bearing, and this conveyor belt connected by bearing, and here you can see some gears and motors. Okay, let me zoom in and show a little bit more details about the gear. Here you can see gears just connected one with another one. Right, so this part is almost done. Please just wait a moment and stay with me. I will go to the main unit. I know everybody is waiting for the main unit. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Okay, take it in the middle. Okay, so here you can see the main unit, and this design looks very simple. Let me rotate it like this. Okay, here you can see the machine and its parts. So let's start. Okay, so let's start from this side too and try to unbox it. Here you can see there is a pneumatic with scissor. Okay, when mask come here is the ear loop automatic movement system. This part just move like this, 1 2 3 like this, and every time this part moves, this automatic pneumatic system just run the scissor and it cuts the ear loop, and this pneumatic just press it by the help of ultrasonic machine, it just seal the ear loop. Okay, so this is automatic ear loop sealing system. That's why they used two big size ultrasonic machine. Normally they use 20K 2000 watt or above. So the ultrasonic machine price is around this configuration, 20K 2000 watt or above 2000 watt. This kind of machine price is around $2,500. This is current price. This is not fixed. Of course, this is not fixed. It is changing every day. I already told you, but just now I just told you the current price. Okay, it can vary from country to country, from region to region, and from quality to quality. So you might check before purchase. There are many options available in the world. And here you can see ultrasonic horn. So they have a special size or a specific size for this machine. So when you get all file, you will get the measurement file with it, and you will understand the horn size and the ultrasonic configuration. Okay, everything is written on the file, material boom, bill of materials list. Okay, so let's hide one by one and see what is inside. We actually hidden the main part of ultrasonic, and this is just frame. Okay, so everybody understand how this frame works. This is just holding ultrasonic, attaching with the table. Okay, so here you can see the pneumatic and scissors. This scissor actually cut every time. Okay, let me zoom in and show you in details. Okay, it looks like very small but very useful tools for ear loop sealing machine. I know many of you are facing difficulties to find out ultrasonic machine. So if you face any difficulties like that, you can contact with me. I also have sourcing of ultrasonic. I can help you in this regard. Okay, so here you can see some pneumatic system, and by the help of this pneumatic, this part just move like this. Okay, just like this. This part, you can see this part, it is ready-made available in Chinese market. You just buy this part and you can assemble it. If you have the capacity, you can even find all the spare parts in China. Okay, those are available, but you need more time to find it out everything all together, because you cannot find everything in one shop. If one shop has everything, they can make this machine by themselves, and they can sell ready-made machine in high price. So why they sell the spare parts? Because they also don't have all the parts, and they also don't like to make the machine, but just they are producing the spare parts. That's why if you go 3 or 4 shop, or even more than 5 shop, you will find all the spare parts available used in this machine. Okay, so you just buy everything and you can reassemble it. Okay, when you assemble it, this machine will give you better value, and you can earn almost triple, more than triple. Yes. So here you can see this design actually not that complicated compared to the previous one. Previous model was little bit more complicated. Okay, there are many parts used in the machine. So although the first machine was little bit complicated, but the spare parts are easy to find, because this is a little bit new generation machine. So new machine, always spare parts are difficult to find, but this one is little bit less complicated. Okay, the tray. This tray is ready-made available in China. You can buy this tray if you want. Actually, this part and this part are almost same. Not almost, it is 100% same. They used just 2 units, one in here, one in here. Okay, so those 2 units works in a same principle. So you can, if I disassemble the first part, you will understand how this part will work. They just rotate the machine and install in here. Okay, every part has its own work and duties to do in this machine. Without a small part of this machine you cannot run, because every part is very important to work properly in this machine. You'll find all bill of materials available in the folder, and unfortunately this bill of materials list is in Chinese language. You must translate it if you don't understand. Google Translate do a very good job, because materials names without any error, the Google Translate can translate it. Okay. Here you can see a screw. Okay, so let me drag it down a bit, and here you can see outside there are some parts. Let me go outside. So let me talk about some price idea. The full ready-made full automatic yellow sealing system, if you want to buy ready-made one set, the cost would be like around 25,000 US dollar. If you want to make this machine by yourself, then the main expensive parts are ultrasonic. 2 ultrasonic needs around 5,000 US dollar, and some pneumatic and other things, those are not that expensive. So another 5,000 US dollars for rest of the part. Then you need to make a table by yourself and set up and install everything on the table. So it will cost around like not more than 10,000. Okay, but this is this, if you can make it, then it will create a good value of your time and value of your money, because you can sell it over 20,000. Okay, 20,000 to 25,000, it depends on country to country. So this is how double profit are making by some factories who can make it and who already have made it. So you got the basic idea, because first part and second part are almost same, so I'm not gonna waste your time and my time. So here you can see first part and second part are same, so I'm not gonna disassemble this. Here you can see a gear motor. The gear motor is just connected by belt. Okay, very simple. You will get everything when you get the design from me. So that's it, guys. And here let me zoom in. Here's something, let me show you. See, Here are some interesting part. Yes, so that's it. That's all for today's video, and hope I will see you in my next video with new design. And of course, if you subscribe my channel, you will get all the video notification as soon as I upload new video in my channel. So I have more design to show you, more interesting design, more cost effective design for you. So if you really like to make and build a mask making machine in full automatic or semi-automatic way, you must subscribe my channel, and hope we can make this machine together. Okay, you are not alone. Always remember, you are not alone. I am with you and our all community with you. Just everybody stay together and try to share your knowledge and try to make the machine. Then we can survive and fight against COVID-19. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope everybody learned something. If I did any mistake and said something wrong, please pardon and my apologize.